Friendships versus partnerships. Thinking about starting a business with your best friend? Think very hard before you take a leap. Rockefeller started his first business with his partner, using their savings and a few bank loans. During the first year in business, they made approximately $500,000 in sales. Later on, when the first oil line was drilled, Rockefeller sensed an opportunity and with his partner teamed up with a chemist who helped in conducting oil tests. He went into business with people who would help him grow, and those people later became his friends. Rockefeller said that a friendship founded on business is better than a business founded on friendship. Don't ever get your friends involved in your business because business is too tough on friendship. Don't hire anyone you can't fire, and don't partner with anyone who's not willing to make sacrifices for your growth. Business is as serious as war, and the success of each is dependent upon the success of the other. 3. There are no mistakes, only opportunities. There is never really a wrong time or a right time to start out a business venture, or put that idea that you've had for months into effect. You have to take the necessary steps to achieve whatever goals you've set. Rockefeller started his business during a period of great market depression in the United States, and yet he managed to become one of the wealthiest people who ever lived. So don't hold on to something that can possibly take you one step further to your success. Life is tough, and there's nothing you can do about it. Those who win the war of life are those who don't make excuses or complain about their situations. If you want to make money, be joyful when everyone's panicking. Most things in the world are better done by the opposite of everyone. The best time to start a business is when everyone thinks it's too risky. According to Rockefeller, the way to make money is to buy when blood is running in the streets. This is based on the belief that the worse things seem in the market, the better opportunities are for profit. He also said that he always tried to turn every disaster into an opportunity. So, when life hands you lemons, make lemonade. 2. Be ambitious and stay motivated. Motivation is an essential factor that changes positive thought to instant action. It is important in life because it helps us gain valued results, like personal growth, better well-being, enhanced performance, or a sense of confidence. Motivation is a road to improve our way of feeling, thinking, and behaving. What is it that motivates you to be successful? Rockefeller was motivated by a number of things, such as his Christian faith. He often quoted from a sermon, "Gain all you can, serve all you can, and give all you can." The desire to get out of poverty. His father was a poor traveling salesman, and so he had to buy himself save for his own future education. His determination to be a better man than his father, and his hope to live a life worth living and make the world a better place. The starting point of any achievement is desire. You have to really want to be rich to get rich. The person who starts out simply with the idea of getting rich won't succeed. You must have a larger ambition. Rockefeller says that there is no mystery in business success. If you do each day's tasks successfully within the natural operations of commercial loans and keep your head clear, you will come out all right. Don't be afraid to give up the good to go for the great. It's not rare for some of us to hesitate, searching for a better future from fear of losing the good their present offers, such as a good job, a good partner, a good place, and so on. Shoot for the moon if the moon is what you really want. And don't be afraid of losing what you already have, as the future might be much brighter than the present we're living in. If you want to succeed, you should strike out new paths, rather than travel the worn paths of accepted success. 1. Hard work is the real wealth of a man. Work is the common denominator for success. Rockefeller had strong opinions when it came to hard work. He learned at a very early age the importance of work. And at one point, he even saved over $50, which was a lot of money at the time, from working for his neighbors and raising turkeys for his mother. He believed in the dignity of labor, whether with head or hand, that the world owes no man a living, but that it owes every man an opportunity to make a living. He acquired skills in bookkeeping, penmanship, banking, and how to draw up notes and other business papers. At 16, he got a job as a bookkeeper, where he impressed his employers with his seriousness and diligence. He was very exacting and honest, and would not write out a false bill of loading under any circumstance. He also went to great lengths to collect overdue accounts. He got more responsibilities, and later went into business with a partner, and it grew. And all this was attainable through his own hard work and effort. Rockefeller said that he didn't want a nation of thinkers, but a nation of workers. One of the secrets to success is to get up early, work late, and strike oil. He didn't get to where he was by sitting around and expecting money to materialize out of nowhere. He got up and did what needed to be done. So, get out of your comfort zone and remember that when work goes out of style, we may expect to see civilization totter and fall. Well, that's it for today. I hope you guys gained value from it. Leave a like and subscribe if you haven't. With that said, I'll see you guys in the next one.